Okay, have you guys ever been way extended out with a bunch of extensions in kind of a tight spot, so you can't use two hands, and you're trying to start a bolt like this, and it's you're reaching way up there and the bolt falls out. Let me show you a little trick. Take a little piece of paper towel, and just put the bolt right in there. That won't fall out. You can go way up there. Look at that. And then you turn it, get it started, with one hand or with your ratchet. Anyway, little tip that we used on this.